Leo, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is learning to love myself. This is the key to your success. Have you been unappreciated? Do people not give you the proper respect that you deserve? I'm going to ask you, do you love yourself? Do you give yourself the proper respect? Because people only mirror and will treat you the way that you treat yourself. Treat yourself like the most precious diamond, the most precious piece of platinum. Because if you hold yourself to a high standard and integrity and you treat yourself well, everyone around you has no choice but to mimic, because that's contagious. And they see that's how I treat my Leo. That's how I treat my king and my queen, because look how they treat themselves. Top tier. I choose to see the beauty within me. Do you see the beauty within you? Do you look in the mirror and compliment yourself on your beauty, on your growth, on your strength? It's time to do that today, because it's amazing and you're strong, and it needs to be acknowledged. Love yourself. Therefore, you can shine, baby, shine, come into the world and make the huge difference that your royalty, my kings and my queens are meant to, because you have a community, you have a kingdom to look after. My wealth lies in my nature and my gifts. I transform my weaknesses into strengths. Just because you have a weakness doesn't mean you cannot turn it into a strength to become that all-powerful ruler which you are. That's what you do. You do that great, and I want to commend you on that. I realize that I'm a being of light, and I allow myself to shine, baby, shine, because I need you. The whole entire world needs you. So love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.